In both 2018 and 2019, when we did those elevator tours with Autism Ontario, this elevator was out of service. That was because it was being replaced. A total replacement of an antique, possibly OTIS, freight elevator. That's the bad news. Here's the good news. First of all, they didn't use Dewhurst. Instead, they used the Halo variant of PTL Centurion. Second of all, you could still see out of it through the rear doors. Also, this elevator has an annoying fan. This had to have been completed within the last 3 years. One R is locked on this thing, so we can't get the rear doors opening. I think the lockout switch is in the cabinet underneath the buttons. Look how low the ceiling is on this thing. Dual interlocks. I think that's a 𝐓𝐎𝐓𝐀 linear door operator. This is not an MRL. Once again, these are PTL Centurion fixtures. These are the Halo variant of them. They look very similar to Mad BS Classic with the Julius surroundings. This elevator overall looks like it belongs in a transit system. I have no idea who's responsible for this mod though, but overall I will say this was very nicely done. You don't want to miss a moment. Hit the subscribe button if you like my content. That being said, see you in the next video. Bye now.